Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basics. The headset is powered, plugged into the correct jack, and paired if Bluetooth. Once done, open Windows sound settings and set the headset as both default playback and default communication device. This forces apps to use it. Make sure to test a different USB or 3.5mm port immediately. Swapping ports isolates cable or jack faults. If the headset works elsewhere, continue. If not, note model for driver steps next. Next, you handle software. Open Device Manager, update the audio adapter and headset drivers, or uninstall and let Windows reinstall them. Once done, go to the Headset Properties Advanced tab and set the sample rate to 44,100 Hz or 48,000 Hz at 16-bit. This matches most apps and prevents codec mismatches. Make sure to disable audio enhancements and exclusive mode so apps cannot hijack the device. Also check Finish by restarting the Windows audio service or simply rebooting. Many changes need a restart to take effect. Then update any headset firmware through the manufacturer's utility and test the headset on another PC to determine if the problem is software or hardware. If audio still fails, run Windows built-in Audio Troubleshooter or swap in a different headset to confirm. If you get no sound, try a different port or adapter. Often a USB hub or faulty jack is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.